Hello, I'm down with Rob at Fisher Farms and he's in the CLAAS 960 Axion with the rear tracks on, and he's got the Philip Watkins cultivator on the back. He's just working this land down. On a beautiful sunny warm October day. And this cultivator is called an Incorporator. A little quick looking cab. And as he comes past now, we will get a little bit of slow motion. You can see the tracks as they move along, and here you've got the leveling boards, the discs, two sets of discs, some more leveling boards, and then the press wheels at the back. And the Philip Watkins cultivator doing a great job as always. This field was previously a wheat crop, and it is going back into wheat again next year as part of their rotation. And that replaced their Xerion. And Rob's basically got 3 rounds of the headlands round the edge of the fields to do, and this field is done. Jump on the drone and have a look at some aerial shots as he works around that last bit of the headlands. So thank you for watching. As always, much appreciated. If you want to put any comments below, I always like reading them. And I will see you on the next video.